Want to know how to save big bucks on your next online shopping spree? Who doesn't love saving money, right? I'm talking about those jaw-dropping deals that make you feel like you just hit the jackpot. Today, I'm going to share with you top secret tips and tricks to score the best deals online. We're diving deep into the world of online shopping hacks, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk cashback. You know how much I love giving back, and cashback websites and apps are like my love language when it comes to online shopping. These awesome platforms basically give you free money just for shopping online. It's like having a friend who always slips you a 20 after you buy something. Imagine this. You're about to buy that brand new phone case you've been eyeing. Before you hit that checkout button, you open up your cashback app and activate the offer. Boom! Just like that, you're earning a percentage of your purchase back. It's like getting a mini high five from your bank account every time you shop. Now there are tons of cashback websites and apps out there, so it's like a giant playground of savings. Some popular ones are Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta. These platforms partner with thousands of online retailers, so you're bound to find deals on everything from clothes and electronics to travel and food delivery. And the best part? It's super easy to use. Just sign up for an account, browse through the available offers, and click through to the retailer's website to make your purchase. The cashback usually gets added to your account automatically, and you can cash out once you've reached a certain amount. Alright guys, let's talk about a little shopping secret, the abandoned cart. Don't worry, it's not as shady as it sounds. It's actually a genius way to unlock some sweet discounts. You ever load up your cart with all the goodies you've been wanting, only to realize you left your wallet in your other pants? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the thing, online retailers it when you abandon your cart. It's like leaving a delicious plate of cookies half-eaten. They want you to come back and finish what you started. So what do? They send you emails with discount codes to try and lure you back in. Here's the play. Add all the items you want to your cart, but don't check out just yet. Close the tab and wait a day or two. Keep an eye on your inbox because you might just receive an email from the retailer offering you a discount to complete your purchase. It's like they're begging you to take their money. Let's be real. We've all been there. You're browsing for flights, and the prices seem to magically increase every time you refresh the page. It's like the internet knows you're desperate for that vacation. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on you. Incognito mode is your new best friend. Think of incognito mode as your secret agent disguise in the online shopping world. When you browse in incognito mode, websites can't track your browsing history or see what other sites you've visited. This means they can't use those sneaky little cookies to jack up the prices on you. It's super easy to switch to incognito mode. In most browsers, you can just open a new window in incognito mode with a few clicks, and bam, you're officially in stealth mode, ready to hunt down the best deals without being tracked. Alright guys, let's talk about loyalty programs and newsletters. I know, it sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me on this one, because these things are like golden tickets to a world of savings. Think about it. You're already shopping at your favorite online stores, so why not get rewarded for it? Loyalty programs are like free VIP clubs that shower you with exclusive discounts, early access to sales, and sometimes even free stuff. And don't even get me started on newsletters. I know they can be a black hole of unread emails. But hear me out. Signing up for newsletters is like having a direct line to all the best deals and promotions. You'll be the first to know about flash sales, limited time offers, and exclusive discounts that aren't advertised anywhere else. Listen up, deal hunters, because this tip is a game changer. Timing is everything when it comes to online shopping. If you want to score the most epic deals, you gotta know when to strike. First up, clearance sales. These are like the Olympics of online shopping. Everyone's vying for the best deals, and the competition is fierce. Clearance sales are a great time to snag incredible discounts on everything from clothing and shoes to electronics and home goods. Next, we've got seasonal sales. Think Black Friday, Cyber Monday, back-to-school sales, and holiday sales. These are the big kahunas of online shopping, and retailers go all out with massive discounts and promotions. Finally, don't forget about flash sales. These are like those limited edition sneakers that sell out in minutes. You gotta be quick. Flash sales are short-term sales that offer deep discounts on a limited quantity of items. Don't forget to try these tricks on your next online shopping trip. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. And who knows, maybe you'll even save enough to buy yourself something nice. If you enjoyed these epic online shopping hacks, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content.